same badge that's on TC. Simone's car, I'm not sure. I found the Mark III Cortina stand. I can see a very special car over here called TC. And a very special person at the back called Simone. We'll go and see her in a minute. Let's have a little nose in her engine bay before we go and see her. It's funny, I've seen videos of her working on stuff at the back of the engine and she can't reach, so she has to plank over the front to reach. And if you watch her videos, look, there's the new battery she put in. Looking good under here. I'm really upset she didn't bring her bike called, well, I named it Foldy McFoldface, but she said she couldn't get it in the car. Gutted. I wanted to have a little ride on it. I'd like to have a ride in TC one day. This is Simone. Hi. We finally found her. I've given her a hug. And she said she's going to do some soldering today with her fancy soldering iron.
I got given this. It's a butane soldering iron. So you have to open, I think there's something to do with, I don't know. There's a little window in there or something and you can spark this.
Oh, it looks a bit dangerous.
Yeah, I don't know. And you've got that turny bit at the back there, so I really don't know.
Oh my god, don't melt your car.
I don't know.
So what are you planning on attempting to solder?
Well, this headlight kept on being very intermittent, and if you have enough light, you might be able to see down here. I took out the little pilot light, and the wire snapped off. Oh! And that's really wobbly there, look. I don't even see that, it's really...
Yeah, I can see it wobbling. I don't know if they can, but...
There we go. Wibbly wobbly. So I have to get the battery out, so I've got room to...
You're used to getting the battery out of this, aren't you?
Yeah. The amount of times that battery's been out this year is crazy.
I know. I zoomed in. I was like, here's the new battery. She goes, you would have seen this in her videos.
Yes, the famous battery. Yeah. And obviously the new shiny, brand new alternator.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, it puts out lots of juice.
Wow. There's some shiny bits, your leads, and even the cam belt cover looks really new. Is that?
I picked that up at Cortina Day last year.
Oh right.
And I think that was like £15.
Bargain.
I think it was like brought down from like 30.
Okay.
So
yeah,
that was really good.
And you drove all the way here with her?
From Plymouth, yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. Oh, my plate fell off.
Oh no. I didn't notice that.
Here we go.
TC.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Everyone sits in the window.
I've got to have a look inside.
Yeah. Look at the 1970s seat covers.
Oh, they're great. Hello, TC. Well, hopefully it's not too dark in here for you to see. But this is a Mark III Cortina estate. I don't think I've ever been in a Mark III Cortina at all. None of this looks familiar. I've seen them externally, but I've not ever seen the inside of them. I've not seen the way the dashboard really sort of slopes down. That's unusual. I've not seen that. Cool. Shall we move her coat and sit in? I'm in. Oh, crunch. Oh, I see. See, she's bought one of the badges that I bought. I bought one of these. I haven't shown you, have I? This is from the P6 Club. They've had these badges made. There's only 50 made, so 2 of them are gone because me and Simone have got one. Cool. Yeah. Hope you can see in here, because I say, I'm in a Mark III Cortina. And more importantly, I'm in TC. I wanted to show you the pedals. Look how close together they are. You don't have to move your feet far. I feel like taking my shoes off because people like that, don't they?
There's still something over there.
Simone's getting in.
I'm getting in. Oh yeah, some.
There you are.
I've got to give. Ah!
Oh, I'm blinding you. Sorry. I'll turn my torch off now.
I got given some paint.
Let's see if it's in there.
Prop the camera.
Prop you up there. Look. Oh, I'm
Don't
vibrating. Well, I'm not vibrating. My phone's vibrating, obviously.
I got given some paint.
Oh, what did you get?
Very unusual. It's like a prototype.
Powder coating repair spray black.
In a can.
What's this?
It's made by the people who make Bulldog.
Oh right, okay.
Bulldog BDX. Very, very fancy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have to put primer on before?
I don't. No. Bare metal.
Is it? Sort of like a hammerite thing, but
I
tougher.
suppose so. Yeah. Yeah.
I've never been in the Mark III Cortina.
No.
No, I've never looked in one.
Wow. What do you think of the dashboard?
One. It's really strange the way it all
slopes
away from you.
So it gives you that extra room.
Yeah. There's loads of room
literally,
there.
there's so much space here.
It's mad.
Yeah.
I guess it's like a safety thing as well, because if you were in an accident, you've got room to not die.
Well, the steering wheel has got a built-in collapsible system in it from 1970. You know, really? It's crazy. Yeah.
Wow.
Absolutely crazy.
I didn't know he's navy inside as well.
It's Marcus Blue.
Marcus Blue.
Marquis with a Q.
Marcus.
See this seat there. That's Marquis Blue, but you need obviously light, and there's not really enough of it
there's no light in here.
But there you go, Marquis Blue, and the door's the same look. I managed to get, this is a replacement door, and I managed to make it look like it was factory.
Oh right. Oh, you're gonna have to paint the purple one now.
Possibly. I'm not sure if I should or not.
Didn't show you the purple door, did I?
No, I filmed it though. So
oh, did you? Oh, you have to watch Simone's channel then. There you go. That's the ploy. You have to go and Simone's channel is it hooked? It's not hooked on.
It's Hooked on Classics.
It is Hooked on Classics.
I changed it.
Didn't
I
you?
changed it for a while because I was trying to think like, because everyone's looking for like my channel and they're finding music. And I thought, can I call it something else? And that didn't work.
No.
You know, it kind of worked, but it was like. It didn't roll right.
No, it got confusing.
Yeah,
I'm glad you put it back.
Yeah, so am I. Because I changed it to Hooked on Cortinas and Classics.
Yeah.
But somebody pointed out to me that a Cortina is a classic. So there we go. I changed it back.
So yes, Hooked on Classics. That's
yes,
where
you've got to scroll down a bit.
I was going to say
before you find it.
Go past all the classic music.
Yeah.
I mean, I reckon I think when I looked for your channel, I typed in Hooked on Classics and I just put Cortina anyway.
Yeah.
And it come up with your videos.
Yeah. Well, most of my videos, I title them The Adventures of TC.
Okay.
And that's also an easy way to find it.
And TC is spelled Teecee.
Yes, and in my tags I also put TC as in T.
Twin carb TC.
Twin carb. Yes.
Right. Okay.
Or Taunus Cortina as its code name. So either way you can find it. So
make an effort, because you need to see the purple door.
Yes,
which I haven't filmed.
Since I've been here, I have gained at least 30 subscribers.
Wow!
Since I've been here.
That's brilliant.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
it really is.
That is good.
Hubnut came to see me.
Oh, fantastic.
Steph came to see me.
Yeah, you've had Sheldon here a lot as well, haven't you? As well.
Sheldon's been here.
Yeah.
Who else came to see me?
Did you have Jeff from Jeff Boy's Cars?
No, not yet. No. I was going to go and find him and say hello.
Yeah, I haven't seen him. I've seen his car, but I haven't seen him.
Oh, I got one of his stickers.
Yes.
Yeah. Car safe from children mining cobalt.
Is that what it says? I haven't seen his stickers.
Yeah. So my car is completely safe from children mining cobalt for EV batteries. Yeah. He's funny.
He is funny. Yeah. And he makes a lot of sense.
He does make a lot of sense. I must agree with you.
I was impressed. I loved his slide.
Yeah.
On the it's Volvo, isn't it? Yeah. Oh.
I forgot to leave it in gear.
Not the roll off, are we?
No, we're on a little flag stand, but we wouldn't go anywhere anyway, I don't think.
I wish we could.
Yeah, it would be really good. I'd love
Imagine if we can drive around the show. That'd be brilliant.
I'd love for you to drive them one day.
I know. I can't believe these pedals. You couldn't drive them with the big boots on.
No, you couldn't.
I mean, you got boots on, but they're not big.
Yeah, but they're not big. No.
Not like safety boots. Oh, I told the camera as well.
Oh, that's not mine. That's Sheldon's.
Is it Sheldon's?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I had a quick look at it earlier.
The Rover badge isn't Simone's. It's Sheldon's. Should we steal it?
Yeah, why not?
I've already got one.
Have you?
Yeah.
Ah.
So there we are. Yeah.
Oh, you bought one before?
Yes, I bought one yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Yesterday I bought it. Yeah.
Not overly expensive, I hope.
No, it wasn't. It was 25 quid.
That's not bad.
And there's only 50 made. So.
Wow, that's a collector's piece.
Yeah, that's what I bought.
Do you know what? I got here and I realised I'd forgotten your little box with your models in it. It's just not good enough, is it?
Sad. That's right. It's a good excuse for you to come and visit again, or us to meet somewhere at least.
Definitely. But
Ramey's just bought a Rover as well, diesel.
Yeah, Rover 75.
Yeah. And I thought of you. It's just exceptionally long, like Patisi.
Yes. There's so much room in here. I mean, I slept in this car.
It's huge, isn't it?
It's massive. The amount of space.
When you look outside, it looks small compared to modern cars, but inside,
there's a lot of room.
Loads of room.
Things because there's no headrests as well. That gives it extra kind of illusion of that.
Yeah.
You know, headrests always kind of
claustrophobic.
Make it more claustrophobic. Yeah.
I don't like headrests, to be honest.
No, I don't. Even though they're good for safety.
I know. Yeah. Was it my dad? He said you'll get a broken neck or something. Or I can't remember. Someone said about it. You haven't got a headrest. Oh no, it's my friend Tony.
Oh.
Yeah. He says because I've got perspex sun visors. He says, that'll slice your head open. And then when you go back, you won't got a headrest, so you just break your neck.
Oh God!
I'm like, oh well. At least I don't happy.
Yeah. Oh dear. Yeah. Die happy and in my favourite car.
Exactly. Yeah. I don't want to be all cooped up in a modern car with airbags and headrests.
No. And walk out safe. What a great. In this car.
How boring.
Yeah. In this car, you either break your neck with whiplash, or that it gets, stabbed in the throat by the steering wheel. Yeah.
What a lovely discussion. Eh?
Absolutely, simply morbid.
Mind you, is it dashboard padded?
Yeah, to a degree.
Sort of.
It is kind of.
No, that still hurt, wouldn't it?
But it would. But look at it, there's no cracks or anything.
I thought that it looked in good condition.
No cracks or anything, but the Marcus Blue ones are known.
We're knocking you about that.
The Marcus Blue ones are known for not cracking.
Why is that?
I don't know. Pete's car is swampy. His is Marcus Blue, and that was left out in a field since 1987 until when he found it. Dashboard was fine. No, honestly, it was weird. Yeah.
But the black ones crack.
I don't know.
Oh.
The parcel shelves always crack.
Oh, right. Yeah.
But we sell at the club. We sell parcel shelves.
Oh, do you?
They make them. Yeah.
Oh, the Allegro parcel shelves just fade.
Oh.
And they go a bit
bendy.
Warped.
Oh, okay.
Warped, but they don't crack.
Oh, that's
it's
strange.
wood.
Oh yes, of course.
It's painted wood, I think. So they didn't actually cover it in vinyl, so it didn't crack. But I have got a crack in Peggy's dashboard, and my P6 has got a crack in it now. It didn't for years, and it was only, I think, 2 years ago a crack just appeared.
Well, I'm sure Sheldon might have one.
Yeah, Sheldon's got those apart.
He has. He is here, and he's itching to see you.
I know.
It's been such a long time.
I saw him briefly yesterday, but he was talking to someone, and I was busy as well. And I said to him on Facebook, I said, I must find you today.
Yeah.
And I'm here now with you.
Because when I first met you, I can't remember where it was now. No, because I found your channel, and I can't remember how it was, but I said, I've met this lady called Alex. She's got Rover P6s. I think I might have been talking about your channel. And he goes, that's Alex who helped me with my car. I was like, really? She goes, yeah. So I looked at the photo, and that was Mr. Jenkins.
Yeah,
I was like, that's so sweet.
Yeah.
Travelled all the way down to Penzance.
That's it.
That's fantastic.
Yeah. I was down that way anyway. My auntie lives in St Austell.
Oh yes.
So I was visiting her. And then we visited Sheldon as well.
Oh, that's really quick.
Yeah.
Really good.
He'd not long got it, and he didn't know about a few things. I can't remember what it was now. I don't know.
Oh, he's learned
something
a lot
to do with it. His door card or something. I can't remember now. But yeah, me and Ian went down and helped out.
That's good.
Yeah, he's come a long way.
He has, and he's learned a lot.
Yeah. definitely. Yeah, good on him.
Yeah, definitely. I just hope he gets Kismet back on the road. Yeah, I do like that car.
Yeah, it's part of him now.
It is. Yeah, I mean,
like TC's yours.
Yeah, I don't think I don't think he'll ever sell it.
No.
I don't think he ever will. He's got too much of a bond with that car.
Yeah, that's where it all started.
It is. Yeah. And it's all going back to that, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, it's good to see him focus on that now.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for spending time talking to us all.
Yeah, no problem.
All of us here. And we'll say goodbye. Bye.